PMA. The power of positive thinking or positive mental attitude is directly connected with the ability to eliminate negative thoughts. Doubts, fears, and focusing on what could go wrong are clear signs of negative thinking. Such thoughts can eventually destroy our life. Instead, we have to focus on what we want. Our thoughts attract our physical experiences because the mental plan is really just a higher degree of the physical plan.